In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your PenFed Credit Union online banking password. This process is fairly straightforward if you follow along with each step carefully. It's important to remember that maintaining your account security is crucial, so resetting your password routinely or whenever you suspect any unusual activity is always a good practice. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the PenFed Credit Union's official website. You can do this easily by typing PenFed into your search engine and clicking on the official URL that appears in the results. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice a menu bar with various options. Look for credit cards and click on it. This option will lead you to a different page providing an overview of all available credit card options offered by PenFed. Next, you'll see an option that says Credit Cards Overview. Go ahead and click on that link, which will take you to a more detailed page about PenFed's credit card offerings. Once you're there, locate the Apply Now button and click it, even though you aren't applying for a new card. This will direct you to a login page, which is necessary for accessing your account settings where password changes take place. On the login interface, you should see an option that says I'm a member. Click on it. This will prompt you to enter your login information, your username and password. Now here's where the password resetting process gets underway. Directly below these fields, there's usually a Forgot Password link. You'll want to click on this as it will guide you through the recovery process. You will then be prompted to enter your username. It's essential to use the exact username you use for logging into your account. Otherwise, the recovery link may not work correctly. After submitting your username, you'll receive an email, typically sent to the email address associated with your account. This email contains instructions and, importantly, a link that you need to click to reset your password. Once you click the link in your email, you'll be taken to a secure page where you can enter your new password. Remember, the new password should be strong. Try to include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, digits, and special characters. After you've entered your new password twice for confirmation, submit your changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. With these steps completed, you can log back into your PenFed online banking using your username and newly updated password. It's always a good idea to test your login after a reset to ensure everything's working correctly. And just like that, you've successfully reset your PenFed Credit Union online banking password, ensuring continued access and security for your account. Be sure to store your new password safely, or even better, commit it to memory. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay secure.